Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add header and footer in your document. You know that a header is the text that appears at the top of each page of a document, and footer is a text that appears at the bottom of each page of your document. Means whatever you type in the header, it will be reflected on the top of each page of the report, and whatever you type in the footer, it will be reflected on the bottom of each page of the report. So let's start adding header in a document. First of all, you have to open Microsoft Office Word. For this, you have to type word in search box, and you can see that Microsoft Office Word appears on top. You have to click on Microsoft Office Word. As you click on Microsoft Office Word window appears. Here, this is Microsoft Word window, and book 1 is document name. By default, document's name of Microsoft Word will be book 1. Okay. In the Microsoft Office Word, you can see there are many tabs such as File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, References, Mailings, Review and View. To insert a header, you have to click on Insert tab. Here is Insert tab. After clicking on Insert tab, click on Header button. This is Header button. As you click on the Header button, a header gallery opens. This is Header gallery. In Header gallery, there are many types of header. Okay, such as blank, blank 3 columns, alphabet, annual, etc. You have to select any one of these. Suppose we have selected alphabet. Okay, so click on this. Okay, and then you can see a placeholder will appear. This is header placeholder. In the header placeholder, first of all, click on backspace key in keyboard. As you click on backspace key in keyboard, type the document title will be deleted. This space will be blank, and you can type your document title here. Means you can type your header here. Okay, so what is header of your project? A project report on solar system. So you have to type here a project report on solar system. Okay, after completing header, you have to click on close header and footer button. Here, close header and footer button. You can see there is a cross button. You have to click on this button. This is the close header and footer button. After clicking on this button, your header will be closed. Okay. In the same manner, you can add footer in your document. For this, all the steps are same, but in step 2, click on the footer button. Means first step is click on the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab, and second step is click on the footer button. Here you can see header. At the header button, below the header button, you can see a footer button here. Okay. So you have to click on footer instead of header because you are going to add a footer in your document. So on the below of header button you can see a footer button. You have to click on footer button. As you click on footer button, a footer gallery opens. In the similar manner, you can see header gallery. You can also see footer gallery and many types of footers. So you have to click on any one footer type. After that, footer placeholder will appear and you have to type your footer. What is your footer for your project report? Report made by students of class 5. So you have to type report made by students of class 5 in footer section. After completing your footer, after completing typing your footer, close header and footer from this close header and footer button. Okay, click here so that your footer will be closed. Okay, for removing header and footer you have to simply click on the remove header option and remove footer option at the end of the header and footer gallery respectively. You can also remove the header and footer this way. Okay.